chemistry is the study of matter, and students who study a chemistry degree will learn about all the elements in the periodic table and how those elements react and the type of compounds that they form and so on. And for sure, some of the things they learn about will be relevant to medicine's development, to the discovery of new drugs and so on. But they will also learn a lot about other types of applications, so catalysis, for instance, or batteries, or environmental remediation. So chemistry is a study of matter in a very broad sense. Pharmacology is the study of how drugs interact with the body. So you'll learn about how do we design drug molecules, and you'll learn about how do those interact with receptors in the body to have an effect, to relieve pain, for instance, as well as what does the body do to those drug molecules, how are those drug molecules excreted from the body. And both chemistry and pharmacology are very pure fundamental sciences. Pharmaceutical sciences really is a bit more applied, I would say, and our whole focus is on the discovery and the design and the development of medicines. So students will learn some chemistry and pharmacology, absolutely, and they will learn those things focused on the properties and the behavior of drug molecules specifically. They will also learn pharmaceutical technology or pharmaceutics, so how do we take a molecule that's active in the body and turn that into a medicine that a patient can take. And they will learn about the systems of law that govern medicine, so regulatory affairs, post-medicines release monitoring and things like that. So it's a very applied program in the pharmaceutical sciences, I think. And if you're thinking about which of the three to choose, I think the first thing I would say is that you should choose based on what you're most interested in right now. When you look at the course structures and the course content, and you have a chance to chat to some of the current students studying these things, which of them appeals most to you? And I would say that whichever one you choose, you're not boxing yourself into a forever corner. The pharmacy degree is quite different because it's a very clinically focused degree, so it's much more like a medical degree than the other programs. And students studying pharmacy, they will learn about pharmacology and medicinal chemistry and pharmaceutical technology, but they'll spend a lot of time developing their clinical skills. They'll learn about how to interact with patients, they'll learn about the law of prescribing drugs, they'll learn how to prescribe and how to monitor patients and so on. So if you're thinking about whether to choose pharmaceutical sciences or pharmacy, the key question to be asking yourself is, where do you see yourself in the longer term? Do you want to work on the front line with patients, where you're interacting with them on a daily basis and helping them to dispense their medicines and helping them to manage their medicines and contribute to their health and well-being that way? Or are you more interested in the fundamental science of medicine's development, where you absolutely are helping a patient through the work that you do, but you're not doing that on a face-to-face basis, on a daily basis. You're much more behind the scenes, and your contributions will probably contribute to a larger number of people, but perhaps in a less direct way.